I'm James. This is Kat. Kat rides a bike and I take pictures. And today we're going to be sharing some of our great pictures from this mobile phone, doing action photography. Let's off-road! Now I love my mobile phone and I love capturing images on it. But when I'm taking pictures of action photography, I'm always worried I'm going to drop it. So to fix that, today I'm using the Pictar grip. It's a great sturdy grip to allow me to capture action photography with just one hand. And these 5 external buttons give me full control over the Pictar app, making it feel like a real camera. So we've come up here today with Kat to shoot some great action shots. And there's 3 things we need to bear in mind when we're shooting and capturing great action. We're looking at shutter speeds, we're looking at dynamic angles, and we're looking at pre-focusing on a subject. With regards to this action shot, everything's going to be moving quite fast. So we want to be using a shutter speed of around about 1/500th of a second or quicker. So we need to use the sports mode on the Pictar to freeze the action. Let's go, 3, 2, 1, Kat. Zooming straight through, what a shot. So we've come down nice and low here in amongst the mud, the stones, the moss, so that when Kat comes past us at high speed, we can capture at this dynamic angle. So that's the angle we're looking for there, nice and low, leading angle into the shot. And I'm going to be pre-focusing on that by pressing the button halfway down so that I know that I'm ready to take that picture perfectly in focus when she zooms through. Whoa! Freezing the action as well, awesome. So we've got Kat at the top of this hill. We've got these steps that she's going to come down at high speed. With a low angle, we can't see the steps. It compresses all of the details. So when we bring the camera up, we can see the steps, add an element of danger. 3, 2, 1, let's go, Kat. Here she comes. High speed, look at this coming through. Cracking shot. Wow, that's amazing photography. Would you like to take a selfie? Just press the button on the front.
Cool.
Wow, fantastic.
Thank you.
Let's go. So if you're looking to go out and create some dynamic action shots with your mobile phone, you're looking for controlling your shutter speed by using sports mode. You're looking for creative, dynamic angles, and you're looking to pre-focus so that you can frame your subject properly. There's really no reason that you can't go out there and have some fun.